sequence.
Winding up, winding down or winding up, Professor.
Ari mbere ya kamiti ya magoti JSC, wakiri Makau Mutua uria uikaraga bururi-ini wa Amerika ni atindikirwo gutariria gitumi giake kuga ndatabulite utongori wa President Uhuru wa Kenyatta na munini wake William Ruto.
What I tweeted was as a matter of the freedom of conscience and thought, I will not recognize Uhuru Kenyatta as the president of Kenya. I can't and I won't. That was a tweet. And that was in the context of the ICC cases.
No ona kuri uguo, Mutua eteteire akiuga ni eharire kurutithania wira na thirikari ya Uhuru na Ruto, akorwo ni agatuika mucirithania munene.
If I was appointed the Chief Justice, I would have no trouble working with Mr. Kenyatta, who is the President of the Republic of Kenya.
Mutua ningi ni eteteire akiuga ndakuruhanirio na gwetha aira aria amerikanaga kuruta uira wa maheni cira-ini wa Uhuru na Ruto igoti-ini ria kimabũrũri ria ICC.
I just want to ask you a personal question, not deeply personal. I would not want to embarrass you, but I would want to know, are you a citizen of any other country?
Why is that question important?
It is absolutely important because the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya has very deep views about a public officer who holds the citizenship of another country. Yep.
What I have said to everyone is that I have lived in many countries because I was exiled from this country.
Orio Mutua ni ataririe gitumi gia kwenda gutuika mucirithania munene wa Kenya ona thengia ya gukorwo ena uraia wa bururi wa Amerika.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
Would you be willing to renounce the citizenship of a third country if you became the head of the third arm of government in the Democratic Republic of Kenya?
Absolutely.
Mutua ni umwe wa andu mugwanja aria maikitio nja wa mutaratara wa gwetha mucirithania munene thutha wa JSC kuga matiakinyanirie ikiro. No igoti ni riathanire Mutua na acio angi macokio mutaratara-ini ucio. Mutaratara uyu wa gwetha mucirithania munene ugakinya muthia muthenya wa rucio riria mucirithania wa igoti tugiru Jackton Ojwang agakinya mbere ya JSC niguo gwitetera niguo atuike mucirithania munene. Kiumia giukite JSC ikajia mutaratara wa gwetha munini wa mucirithania munene. Maina wa Wairegi, Inooro TV.